So that's Rose and I, two of the trustees of NPT Pride. So she helps me to put the Pride together along with our other Pride trustee, Sarah. My name is Josh Tuck. I'm one of the trustees of NPT Pride, and today we're here in the plaza. When we first got together to discuss showing the film Pride, we really quickly realised it was going to be a much bigger event. We started discussing the history of Pride and Pride Month, and it's particularly the film Pride. It is very specific to this area, so we felt that there was a really strong connection to the area. And it kind of just set us off wondering, why isn't there a Pride here now? When we started kind of asking people to get involved, approaching businesses, approaching groups, approaching figures in the community, because we'd been kind of a bit apprehensive, saying, well, there wasn't one before, maybe there's a reason. Everywhere we went, we were just pushing on an open door, and people just couldn't wait to be involved. And we would hear all the time, it's about time. I never thought I'd see a Pride here in my life. I'm so happy that it's happening. We thought maybe at that point it'll be a small community Pride, but then from there we had all the way from like Cummer all the way up to Ystrad. We had things going on everywhere, and people just so keen to be involved. We could never have pulled it off without the community coming together behind us, with all the support we received, whatever we asked for, people were ready to chip in. It shows the pride that the people of Port Talbot have in the area, that they were so keen to be involved and so keen to have just yet another reason to kind of be proud of Port Talbot. Yeah, I just have to say it's just been the most lovely experience, and they're a very welcoming community. I think Port Talbot would be a very warm person, a very bubbly person. It would be kind of salt of the earth. It would be someone who gives you that big hug when you need it.